Tesla Model 3. This is the pure blue edition. FRO and Widebody fenders cropped out of frame. Smooth Tesla front, no grille, just aggressive carbon splitter kissing the pavement. Matrix LED headlights with white DRLs. That pure blue? It's like a deep ocean, rich, electric. Mean. SIDS suspension max low. Chassis on floor, zero gap. 20-inch forged wheels tucked inside fenders. Tires barely visible. Carbon side skirts. Sleek roofline, but aggressive stance. Asterisk rear carbon diffuser kissing ground. Full-width LED tail light bar with red glow. Active spoiler up. Wide arches cropped. This Model 3 looks ready to eat a BMW for breakfast. Asterisk interior minimalist but modded. Carbon yoke steering wheel. 15-inch screen. Blue ambient lighting. Black vegan leather with blue stitching. Back seat. Spacious. Frunk. Trunk. Both. Asterisk performance and price 0-60 in 3.1 seconds. Performance. Dual motor AWD. Range about 350 miles. Price around $40,000 base. Modified $65,000. Fast, practical, and blue. What else you want? If you like this or not, I don't care, but subscribe okay.